Unlock your creative potential and transform your ideas into stunning visual stories at Higgsfield, the AI-powered video creation platform. Let's dive into creating your first video with Higgsfield. Begin by brainstorming your concept and typing a descriptive prompt into Higgsfield's intuitive text-to-video generator. Be as detailed as you like. Think about mood, colors, actions, and even character types. Higgsfield's AI will then interpret your prompt and generate a series of unique video clips, bringing your vision to life in seconds. You can generate multiple variations to find the perfect starting point. Once you have your initial scenes, the real magic happens on the editing timeline. Drag and drop your chosen clips, arrange them in the desired order, and start building your narrative flow. Elevate your video's emotion by easily adding background music. Browse Higgsfield's extensive library of royalty-free tracks, or upload your own to perfectly complement your visuals. Enhance clarity and engagement by adding text overlays. This could be titles, key information, or even subtitles to make your video accessible to a wider audience. When your masterpiece is complete, simply navigate to the export settings, choose your desired resolution and file format to ensure your video is optimized for wherever you plan to share it. With a few final clicks, your AI-generated video is ready to be shared across your favorite social media platforms, websites, or anywhere your creativity takes you. Higgsfield, your all-in-one AI solution for effortless and impactful video creation. Start making yours today.